General knowledge questions and answers. Hello friends. This is Raul's tutorial. Please visit our website www.raulstutorial.com and download our app. Electronics Engineering Tutorial. Raul's tutorial. International boundary lines. Let's know about them. The boundary line between India and Pakistan, drawn by Sir Cyril Radcliffe in 1947, is Radcliffe Line. Boundary line between Pakistan and Afghanistan, drawn up in 1896 by Sir Mortimer Durand, is Durand Line. The boundary line between India and China. It was demarcated by Sir Henry McMahon, is
McMahon Line.
The boundary line between India and China on the northern border is line of actual control.
Boundary line between Germany and Poland, to which German retreated in 1917 during the First World War, is Hindenburg Line. The boundary line between East Germany and Poland is
Oder-Neisse Line.
the boundary line between India and Pakistan is
Line of control.
the boundary line between Israel and Lebanon is
Blue Line.
the boundary line between Israel and Syria is
Purple Line.
the boundary line between Israel and its neighbors, Egypt, Jordan, Lebanon and Syria is
Green Line. The boundary line between Maryland and Pennsylvania is Mason-Dixon Line. The boundary line between Poland and Russia is Curzon Line. The boundary line between North Korea and South Korea is Armistice Line or Military Demarcation Line. The boundary line between France and Germany is Maginot Line. The boundary line between Russia and Finland is Mannerheim Line.